Welcome back, guys. So in this video we're going to be talking about how to style our links and how to use PSUDO classes. Let's get right into it. So we're going to create another file. So we're going to name this list links, link.html. Link. So one of our link tag is the anchor tag. So we have the let's say go to Google. So we're going to have our href. First of all, let's run this. So this is it. Go to our CSS and remove this line. This is a default line that comes with your anchor tag. Let's remove it using CSS. I'm going to style it using tag name. So let's do a text decoration none. So you can see, so text decoration takes it out. So you can actually change the color to whatever color you wish to. So let's change the color to black. You can see black. Right now there is no link in there, so it won't take you to any other page. So this is what it looks like. So we're not going to be adding any link because there's no need for that right now. So this is how to add and remove the default line that comes with the anchor tag. Text decoration none, takes it out. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is the PSUDO classes. Let's try them out. So I'm going to use the same anchor tag. So what you do is, if you're using a class name, class dot whatever name it is, then you add your column. Then the column, you pick the PSUDO class you want to use. So in this case, we're going to be doing the over. So this is the over. So this is what I mean by hover. When you hover over this is called overing. What should happen? So let's say when we hover over this, we want the color to change to red. So I'm going to go over this. So when I over it, it changes to red. Could change it. I could select blue. If I over this, change to blue. So we have another one. So let's try the active. You have the active. I'm going to comment this out because we've done the over. You can actually add any property and value you want. You can add background color. Maybe if I overwrite, have a background color of brown. See, you can add padding. Maybe 20 pixel. If I overwrite, you see, that's increased. That's the padding there. Can do margin, whatever. You can add any property of your choice under the over. See, so both the margin, the padding, the color, the background color, they are working because of this. So you can add any property here under the over. So let's try this other one, active. So the active, let's do color. This is white, you can use white because our background is white already. So let's take another color. Let's do red. So if I try to click this, say this is active. So when I click it, it shows up. You can see that. When you click, bam, it show up. So that's active. So let's talk about the visited PSUDO class. So this visited, if you observe when you visit a site, it's the one that you've clicked on the link changes color. So that's visited. So let's try this here. Let's say color blue. So I'm going to take out this active that we did. I've clicked it before, so it's already automatically visited. There's no link here though. So we have another one. Let's do the focus. So we're going to use input to test out the focus. Input text, placeholder, enter name. Let's see what it looks like. So this is our input. Let's do inputs. Focus. Without this, let's see. So this is it, right? You can see. Depends on focus, it just changed the look. You can see that. So you can use this to toggle your inputs the way you want it. So this is all for pseudo classes and links styling. Hope you enjoyed this class. See you in the next one. Take care.